Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by enabling voice because it unlocks hands-free navigation and faster searches. First, open Settings and go to General, then select AI Service or Voice. Once done, sign into your LG account and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Make sure the remote battery is charged. Next, pair your Magic Remote by pointing and pressing the scroll wheel button. Wait for on-screen confirmation. This first set of actions prepares the system to listen and respond accurately, reducing latency and missed commands. Now you configure how the assistant behaves so it fits your preferences and privacy. Open AI service settings to pick ThinQ, Google Assistant, or Alexa. Choose one assistant at a time to avoid conflicts. Make sure to enable microphone access and review data permissions so voice data is processed correctly. Then set language and voice recognition training. This improves accuracy for names and accents. Finally, enable or customize the wake word if available, and test simple commands to confirm recognition before continuing to advanced features. You finish by practicing commands and handling problems so voice control becomes reliable. Start with basic phrases like, open Netflix, set volume to 15, or turn off TV and listen for the confirmation tone. If recognition is poor, check for firmware updates and restart the TV. This often resolves glitches. Make sure background noise is low and the remote microphone is not blocked. If problems persist, reset voice settings and retrain recognition, or contact LG support. This step ensures long-term performance and privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.